Hi and welcome to my channel. These are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a vase. Now I got this vase at Walmart for $3. You can also get a vase at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need lots of beads. I would say about 5 bags, at least 5 bags. I'm going to have more than this. And then you're going to need silver chrome spray paint, which you can get at Walmart. Glue gun and glue sticks. So let's get started. And I'm just going to do each bead one at a time. This is going to be a time consuming, so hopefully it will be worth it at the end. Now I need to see this perfectly. I want to get this even, so try to do it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully that's straight. Now you can also use E6000. I'm actually not using it today because I ran out. But I would suggest that you do use it so this stays. Okay, so now I'm just basically starting a line that's alternating, and I'm doing this because they're not perfectly straight, so I'm trying to get them back in line rather than doing it over. So I'm trying to get this one more straight, and I have to use the larger ones to do that. Okay, as you see, this is a very tedious job. Now, basically, it's not perfectly aligned, but it's as good as it's gonna get. So as you see, I'm running out of these beads. So what I'm gonna do as soon as I run out of these is I'm gonna start using these beads. Okay, so now we're finally done, and this is the last part of this whole thing, and it is spray painting. So let's spray paint it and see how it looks.